Virtual event platforms, or halls, are still unfamiliar for many. As the party host, it's your job to show attendees around and make them feel right at home. Get it? Right at home? How? Notifications. Want to tell attendees about an exciting session? Send a notification. Want them to know of a sponsor's demo that's starting right now? Send a notification. I could go on all day. Remember though, you don't want to be the boy who cried notification and make them lose all meaning and purpose. Try to plan it so you inform attendees without wearing them out. Be strategic. Send the right notifications at precisely the right moment. For example, just as a session is wrapping up, that's your cue to plug the next session, or another one that's related, or really anything else that your attendees need to know. Use the fact that they're in listening mode, and leave some room for ad hoc notifications in case of unexpected changes.